Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you what I have been sewing this week, and I'm on my bed because this is the only place that is not jam-packed with something. Everywhere else in this room is filled to the capacity with clothes, with stuff, or what my husband calls it junk. Because I am in the process of moving, so stuff is everywhere in my room. You are close and personal because you all see in my bed. I only sewed 4 things this week because like I said earlier, I've been cleaning my room, I've been decluttering, I've been purging, I've been getting rid of stuff, so stuff is thrown all about in this room. It's in bags and bins and stuff, so plus you could hear it in my voice. I think I've caught a bug, so I'm trying to battle with that. I've been taking my hauls. I'm not sure if they're working, but I've been taking them because I hate being sick. The video is going to be a quick one, so if that is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. For those who are new here, I'm Catherine, and I love making sewing quick and easy. For all of the pieces that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to show you pictures, and then I'm going to put a video compilation at the end. So the first thing that I made was this dress, and this is a maxi dress. It almost hits the floor. That's a maxi dress, and that is the back that I'm sharing with you now. And I made the back lower just for a little interest, and that is the front. And the dress fits me oh so beautiful. I feel like it fits like a glove, and that's the stretch of the material. It's a knit material, and I think I bought this because currently I'm in the Bahamas, so my fabric store had this for, I think it was like $7.99 a yard, without tax. That's not with that, with what we call it VAT. So I got 1.5 yards of this to make this dress. And then the second thing that I made was a 2-piece set because these are a part of my summer wardrobe, and this also was 1.5 yards. And I made these pants. That is the front, and that is the back. And I was so stoked about this pants. I do love how the pants fit me, and I was so excited about the crop top because initially I was not going to make the crop top. And it has like that little design, so it comes like that and then like that. I made the pants, and I was like, hey, this fabric is just enough to make a crop top, so that is what I did. It may be coming across as red, but it's like pink. That was the second thing that I made. I had this sitting on my table for the longest. Well, you all wouldn't see it because I always clear my table. You would have seen this fabric in my, I think, February plans, and I cut it out, mind you, from that time, but I never made it. That's bad because that's February, right? We are in July. Don't judge me, y'all. I got tired of staring at it, so I'm like, okay, let me just, and the thing is, I didn't even have any guidance as to what pattern I had used because I only had the thing cut out and no pattern pieces attached to it. And so I just started putting it together, and then when it came to the waistband, I was like, hey, wait, what this pattern says again? How am I supposed to do this? So I had to look through my pattern pieces, and then I found the pattern for it. Let me see if I can find it. Ugh. I think it's this. So this is the pattern that I used, and this is the pants, so that's view E. I believe that's it. So that's New Look 6035. And so I had to look back at the pattern in order for me to figure out how to do the waistband because I don't normally do waistbands like this. And it fits so well. So this is the front, and this is the back. And the thing is, it only has dots in the back, so that's why it was easy for me to locate the pattern because it doesn't have dots in the front, so that eliminated a lot of patterns that I had. And I love the way it came out, and this color is so pretty. I don't know what kind of green this is. Oh, and I was trying to get a zipper closest to the color, but this is like a green in the fabric. So you can't see it, but I could see it. It's like a little yellowish green in it. So I use that, and it has carriers, 2 in the front and 3 in the back. And I love this. And this is new for me because the zipper is on the side. Normally I like front fly zippers, but I would do it over again. And then I had a top that I got from one of my friends, and it was way too big for me. And so I decided again, because it's summer and it's hot, I decided to refashion it. I wish I would have taken a picture so you could have seen the before and after. But I sized it down to my size, and I love it. I just love the graphics. You know, I like graphics. So that is it. And that is it. That's all that I have sewn. I wasn't really too much into sewing because I was trying to sort out my room. So that is all I have for you. In the next video, I will share with you my mini fabric haul. Stay tuned for that. So if you like what you see on my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Come and join this wonderful family. We would love to have you over here. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.